My one sweet girl, my one sweet girl. Not only you, girl, like MJ, rock my world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did not plan to vlog today because this is my first time going to a social event / work for influencing in Enugu State. So I just wanted to get the vibes. But once I got there, I was like, no. I had to vlog for my charges. And I did. So I'm going to use this interview video that I got as my intro. I'm just right here talking to those people. So, anywho, guys, let's watch the vlog. I'm excited for this one. Let's go, guys. Make sure you subscribe.
Onowu abagana oya dele na mma konye chiri ya zelo okirikiri ga na boko no go se na dale enu ine ndi ani ase funa okoro mazi much respect to a living legend, a veteran actor Ogedagidi, the boss chief Yul Edochie, the boss of all bosses. He is right here, present with us. And also you can see him sharing some pleasantries with
Also with us is the Special Advisor to the Governor on Agriculture, Engineer Mike Uwekwe. A round of applause. Thank you for joining us. As I said, we crossed from the young to the not so young. But in this case, I think we can say we also crossed a generational line. Because we have Chief Yul Edochie as a DK1 of Nteje with us. All the way from Burundi, we have the Senior Special Assistant to the Ambassador of Nigeria to the Federal Republic of Burundi in the person of Chief Patrick Egolum-Gudonri. You are welcome. Coming here after you, like you said, is a lot of task. Good evening, Enugu State. My name is Chimezie Ucheabu, as she said. On some days, I pour maize and wine. You try pour maize and wine. We talk with Master. My nobody pour maize and wine. Now they need to get one thing here. I'm not going to be horrible, but just try. So today, this evening, we are going to have a very robust conversation about the progress of Dimma Umeh. Please, a round of applause for her. You should see her in Marana. Look at her, just look at her, she glows. Dimma Umeh, please come up. Alright, as she comes up, please welcome her. Oh, wait till I see her, men are you. We welcome people properly. That's how I was brought up. Please welcome her. Thank you very much. And also in this discourse is another beautiful lady who is making Igbo proud in the area of communication thing. And this person is someone that I respect so much. He's someone that has done a lot of input into the communication industry. He is a communication marketing, public relations and advertising professional with a series of experiences in banking, in telecommunications, in consulting, and even in the academic sector in Nigeria and in the United Kingdom. He is a published author. It's very hard to write a book. If you see somebody that wrote one, please celebrate him. He is a published author, a member of several professional associations. He is a cabinet chief and member of Igwe's cabinet in Enugu and holds the chieftaincy title of Ezudo Enugu Lumuri. Ezudo Anyekeleki, please join me to make welcome the current and managing director, chief executive officer of Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS Radio TV, Oka, Chief Uche Wora, PhD. We have all eaten. If you're hungry, ask for more, please. Let's welcome our people. At the head of this panel, the lead panelist is someone that I am not operating to John the Baptist in the Bible. I am not worthy to remove the lace of his shoes. He's someone that has made Igbo, the whole nation, proud. My colleague Joy has said a lot about him, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time, but join me to welcome Nigeria's most celebrated veteran thespian, the only person that they could not find comma in his English in all his movies. It's not easy. And he will teach you how to speak English. He is a BBC trained communicator. He is a thespian. He's a multi-award winning actor. He had an Industry Merit Award by African Magic, a Lifetime Achievement Award by Africa Film Academy, and he's the proud son of Igbo soil, Ikonu. Ambassador Pete Edochie, This is right. Keep clapping for him. Applaud him, applaud him. It's not easy. It's not easy at all to bring up the caliber of people he has brought up and leave the legacy he has left in culture, in arts, in every area of his career. He has left indelible marks. Please celebrate him.
About who we are. Ndị ọganiru and ndị Igbo. Studio, you tell us the story in a countdown of 3. So, 3, are you ready? 2, 1, let's go.
Setbacks, they are not new to us. Nothing under the sun shakes us anymore. We are a people who see beyond setbacks. Years ago, we had to start all over again. It was tough, but we rebuilt every part from scratch. Piece by piece, bit by bit, sweat upon sweat. from small steps to giant strides. We made progress for ourselves, coming back from the impossible. To build our own empire, to carve our name in history and inspire generations to progress. Our impact is felt across the globe like a loud gong of hope. Our fathers never gave up, nor will we. We shall continue to make a resounding name for ourselves and those that come after us. Like our people say, defend Dimma Onyeze, Ike Nafani, Abu Onyeze, Kiwabudu, Dosia, Adadiora, Ijele, Ezeke, Ezedike, Wane, Turu Kolata, Life Continental Lagamere,
Ibokunaka. Repeat, studio, one more, repeat.
Setbacks, they are not new to us. Nothing under the sun.
just came in from the live event, Nigerian Berries. So I am so happy when I go out, like mingle in Enugu State. It's really fun for me because I enjoy creating content for different brands and just like meeting people and networking. It was fun. I got to meet Dimma. Like, I'm a huge fan of Dimma. Like, I love her. She is so funny and so Igbo that I'm just here for it. I'm here for all of it. My filming room / my office is a bit of a mess because I got ready here, and every single time I get ready, it's messy. So yes, but yeah, I just got back home around 7, and then I took some pictures for Instagram because I don't really wear makeup a lot, nor install my hair a lot. So when I do install my hair, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the chances I have. I'm gonna milk it, and I'm gonna snap picture, and I'm gonna do TikTok, and I'm gonna create reels, and just do every single thing because it takes me time to beat this phase to the small lesson I know how to do with makeup. It takes me time. So when I get it, I create content. So yes, that was a random. I wasn't even planning to vlog today. That's the craziest thing. I wasn't planning to vlog, but then I got there, the setup, everything was like, this is too cute. And Yul Edochie is the cutest like, can we all agree that he's just our grandfather for Nigeria, at least for the Igbo people? Like, he's our granddad for life. Like, I just love him. He's just like just so small and gentle and fragile. I just love him. And then his son Yul Edochie was there. He's the new brand ambassador for life. So that was it was a really fun event. You guys saw it, the cultural dance. Listen, yeah, anytime I go to events that is targeted towards Igbo people, I live for it, because that's where I come alive. Like, I love our culture, I love our music, I love our dances, I love our language. And every single thing. Like, it makes my heart actually boom, boom. That's how I feel. So yes, and you guys already know that this wig is from Viva Hair London, and it's basically almost 3 years old. Like, I haven't even changed my frontal. I actually haven't changed my frontal. I probably would need to, maybe next year. I'm not sure, but it's still slaying as for now. Like, I look like a babe. Oh, somebody's wife. I beg my husband, no, you carry I go market. Carry his two I go market. I'll be fine with. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye, guys.